You got a mascot this week, John?
Well, a lot of people have, like, lucky pants. And I don't consider anything that's touched my penis to be that lucky. Really. What I've gone for this week is a sort of a distraction technique. So I shall be playing a character this week that will both intimidate Sean and drive Sarah wild with sexual desire.
It's working. Oh, no, now you turned round.
What are you?
I'm the Countdown Kid.
You're the what now?
John, to me, you look like something Elton John's ordered in case he's a bit keckish.
You got a pretty mouth, kid. You ain't gonna be laughing so much in 30 seconds' time when I'm gonna get a 6 and you gonna get a 5. Countdown Kid didn't know studio was gonna be so hot.
Are you getting a sweaty head?
Countdown Kid might have a bit of a sweat problem.
OK, so, Sarah, you were on John's team last week with the Countdown Kid.
Yeah.
With Sean this evening. What do you think?
Well, John didn't wear the hat last week and he won, so I think it's not a lucky charm at all. I don't think he can keep it up. I mean, the accent.
You got a pretty mouth.
I have, thanks very much. It's lipstick on it, so it looks like a vagina. Oh, that's what lipstick's for, did you not know?
Countdown Kid think that's ironic, because when you open your mouth, everybody else gets
So we're going to mix things up a little bit for this round. Sean, you're going to go head-to-head against John. This one's only for you guys. John, your turn to pick the letters.
John or the Kid, don't mind, I got access to both.
OK, Countdown Kid, it's your turn to pick the letters. I feel like I'm indulging a child.
Howdy.
Howdy.
Kid want a consonant.
Kid got N.
Kid want a vowel.
Kid got A.
As well.
Kid want a consonant.
Kid got K.
Kid having a lot of fun. Kid want another consonant.
D.
Kid want a vowel.
E.
Kid should have asked for the vowel first. Kid want another vowel.
I.
Kid want a consonant.
G.
Kid need a throat lozenge.
Kid needs a life.
Oh, God.
Kid gon' carry on. Kid want a consonant.
P.
Kid want another vowel.
And kid got E.
OK, your time starts now. OK, Sean, how many letters?
6.
6, OK, and what you got, John?
7.
Sean, what's your 6?
Gained.
John?
Peking. Like a duck.
Like a Peking duck. The place?
The Peking duck, but peeking at the person gonna eat it.
Where is the Countdown Kid from?
Kid get on a horse, kid travel, kid pick up a...
Because he sounded initially, I thought he was a cowboy, but now I think he might be Mr. T.
Man, make a good point. It took a long time to get here on a horse, because kid ain't getting on a plane.
To our first numbers round. John, Adam, your turn to pick the numbers.
Go for it.
I didn't feel quite comfortable in that round, as myself.
No, I
feel
sensed that.
underachieved. So
Yeah.
I think if I could just put this on for a moment. Bonjour, Jimmy. Je m'appelle l'enfant content.
Well, one of those words you can't say.
Many words I cannot say. Bonjour, on y va.
What are your tips for this one? You actually have a theory about this, don't you?
Pick a number and then do it again 5 times. Pick a big number.
A big number, please.
Seulement un.
Eh?
5 de la petite. 6. 4. 3.
This has gone a bit far, hasn't it?
All right, so, John, you're picking the numbers.
I have another hat. Here you go. How you doing, mate?
Wow, you're an Australian who's been castrated.
I'm a lady.
That was the case with all of them.
Do you know what's lovely is this time I can actually talk to you. French, I'm not across, but Australian. Yeah, how's it going, mate? You all right?
Yeah, and all that stuff. I saw a bloody kangaroo before, didn't I?
Did you? Yeah, what'd you do with it?
Just walk past it. There's loads of them in Australia, isn't there? It's not noteworthy, is it?
What was his name?
Pouchy.
Oh, yeah, I know, Pouchy. He's a good one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hit him with my car. My ute. G'day, Rachel.
You sound like Dame Edna.
On to another numbers round. OK, John and Adam, you're to pick the numbers. Well, this is either going to be Mexican or Chinese.
Either way, it's going to be racist. Hello, my friend.
Hello.
No, it could still be either.
There was just
Wow.
a moment in his eyes then, I saw it, which went, I really wish I hadn't done this one.
It feels to me this is the only thing on television that makes the Dolmio ads look OK.
You people are ignorant.
Adam, pick the numbers. I would say John picked the numbers, but we could be here for days. John and Roisin, you go first. Here's your script.
Okay.
I'd like you to do a scene from When Harry Met Sally,
Okay.
but to make it a bit more of a challenge, I'd like you to play Sally, John.
Is this part of the show, or is this just you wanting to see John in a wig?
This cheap tat is not a wig. It will inhibit my performance.
I know, I would have grown mine out.
OK, so let's have your
Start.
acting skills.
So I'm yellow and you're not yellow.
Well,
that is how
There's 2 different
that's how the
ones.
professionals talk. That's how on film sets. You'll hear Daniel Day-Lewis go, I'm yellow, you're not yellow. It's the highlighted line.
I've never seen the film. Where is it set? Newcastle?
It's in New York.
You know what? I'm so glad I never got involved with you.
Why are you getting so upset?
What's the dog from the Magic Roundabout called?
Why are you getting so upset? It's not about you.
Yes, it is. You are a human affront to all women, and I am a woman.
Hey, I don't feel great about this, but I don't hear anyone complaining.
You're out the door too fast.
I think they have an okay time.
I think your mustache is upside down. How do you know that they really?
What do you say, that they fake an orgasm?
It's possible.
You don't think I could tell the difference?
No.
Get out of here.
Oh. Oh. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, right there. Shove it right up my... I've gone off script a bit. That's it, the whole ham. Right up there.